Ever wondered where you can live like a king with just $500 a month? Welcome to our journey around the globe, where we'll unveil some of the most affordable destinations that promise a luxurious lifestyle without burning a hole in your pocket. We'll be diving into the culture, cost of living, and the quality of life these countries offer. So, if you're ready to discover a world of possibilities where your money stretches far and wide, stay tuned as we explore 5 countries where your dollar will stretch the furthest. Welcome to the vibrant and bustling country of Vietnam. A land of staggering natural beauty and cultural complexities, Vietnam is a haven for budget travelers with its low cost of living. Picture this, a place where you can enjoy a comfortable lifestyle, indulging in the finest local cuisine and partaking in a myriad of leisure activities, all for less than $500 a month. Accommodation in Vietnam is not only affordable, but also diverse. You can find a cozy apartment in the city center, a charming house in a quiet village, or even a beachfront bungalow for a fraction of what you'd pay back home. It's not uncommon to find a fully furnished apartment for around $200 a month, leaving plenty of room in your budget for other expenses. Food is another area where Vietnam shines. The country is famous for its street food culture. Imagine feasting on a steaming bowl of pho, or biting into a crispy banh mi sandwich, or savoring a plate of fresh spring rolls. Most of these delicacies can be enjoyed for less than $1, allowing you to explore the rich culinary landscape without breaking the bank. As for leisure activities, Vietnam is a playground. From exploring the bustling streets of Hanoi, cruising through the emerald waters of Ha Long Bay, trekking in the terraced rice fields of Sapa, to basking in the sun-soaked beaches of Nha Trang, there's always something to do. And the best part, these activities are incredibly affordable. But it's not just about the cost. Living in Vietnam means immersing yourself in a rich tapestry of history and culture. You'll find yourself surrounded by ancient temples and pagodas, vibrant markets, and friendly locals who are always willing to share a story or two. In a nutshell, Vietnam offers an affordable lifestyle without compromising on quality or experience. It's a place where every dollar stretches further, allowing you to live a life that's not just about surviving, but truly thriving. In Vietnam, your $500 could afford you a lifestyle that's akin to royalty. Let's take a journey to the roof of the world, Nepal. Nestled among the towering peaks of the Himalayas, Nepal is a treasure trove of stunning landscapes, rich history, and a vibrant culture that will leave you spellbound. And the best part? Living here can be surprisingly easy on the pocket. When it comes to affordability, Nepal is a contender that's hard to beat. Here, a sumptuous meal at a local eatery will barely make a dent in your wallet, with prices averaging around a couple of dollars. And if you're one for exploring local markets and whipping up your own meals, fresh produce is as cheap as it gets. The housing scenario is equally appealing. Even in the capital city of Kathmandu, you can find cozy accommodations that won't break the bank. A fully furnished apartment might set you back around $200 a month, while more modest accommodations can be even cheaper. But living lavishly in Nepal isn't just about the low cost of living. It's about the wealth of experiences this country has to offer. Imagine waking up to a view of the majestic Himalayan ranges every morning, or exploring ancient temples and monasteries that have stood the test of time. The country's rich history is etched in every corner, from the bustling streets of Kathmandu to the serene trails of the Annapurna circuit. And whether you're a history buff, an adventure junkie, or a nature lover, Nepal offers an array of experiences that cater to every taste. And let's not forget the Nepalese people. Warm, welcoming, and always ready with a smile. They are the heart and soul of this country. Their hospitality and friendliness will make you feel at home in no time. So, whether you're strolling through the vibrant markets of Kathmandu, trekking through the breathtaking trails of the Himalayas, or simply soaking in the tranquil beauty from your budget-friendly apartment, every moment in Nepal is an adventure in itself. Nepal, a place where you can live comfortably and explore endless beauty, all on a budget. Next, we head to South America, to the heart of Bolivia. Bolivia, A country nestled in the rugged Andes Mountains and stretching to the Amazon basin is a treasure trove of experiences that come at a surprisingly low cost. This high-altitude haven is not just rich in diverse landscapes, but also offers an incredibly affordable cost of living that can make your dollar stretch further than you'd ever imagine. Let's start with housing. Whether you prefer the urban hustle of La Paz or the tranquil charm of Sucre, you can find comfortable accommodations that won't break the bank. A one-bedroom apartment in the city center is likely to cost you less than $200 a month. If you venture a little farther out, that cost can halve. For the price of a night in a swanky hotel back home, you could live for a month in Bolivia. Now, let's talk food. Bolivian cuisine is a melting pot of indigenous, Spanish, and African influences, offering a unique gastronomical adventure. A hearty meal at a local restaurant will set you back only a few dollars, while a trip to the bustling markets will fill your basket with fresh produce for less than the price of a cup of coffee back home. Bolivia is not just about affordability though. It's a country that's alive with culture and natural beauty. From the world's largest salt flat, Salar de Uyuni, to the tropical biodiversity of Madidi National Park, there's no shortage of breathtaking sights. The vibrant festivals, the rich history, and the warm and welcoming locals add depth to the experience, making every penny spent truly worthwhile. Life in Bolivia is about more than just surviving on a budget. It's about thriving, about experiencing a rich and diverse culture, about exploring breathtaking landscapes, and about creating a life that's filled with adventure and wonder. And the best part? All of this comes at a cost that's incredibly easy on your wallet. Bolivia, a land of contrast where your budget stretches wide. Let's explore the hidden gem of Europe, Ukraine. A country that combines the charm of Europe with an impressively low cost of living, Ukraine is a paradise for those seeking a lavish lifestyle on a budget. Nestled between the old and the new world, this country offers a unique blend of historical richness and contemporary quirks. Living in Ukraine is surprisingly affordable. You can secure a comfortable apartment in the heart of the city for the price of a small room in many Western countries. And not just any city, but cities that are steeped in history and abound with architectural marvels. But it's not just about the rent. The cost of food is also pleasantly low. You can indulge in Ukraine's sumptuous local cuisine without burning a hole in your pocket. From the hearty borscht soup to the delicious vareniki dumplings, the Ukrainian kitchen is a gastronomic adventure waiting to be embarked upon. And let's not forget transportation. With an efficient public transport system that's light on the wallet, you can traverse the length and breadth of the country effortlessly. You might even find yourself hopping on one of Ukraine's iconic trams, reminiscing about a bygone era. But Ukraine is not just about low cost. It's a country that boasts a rich tapestry of historical sites and natural beauty. From the majestic Carpathian Mountains to the serene beaches of the Black Sea, Ukraine is a nature lover's dream. And for history buffs, the country's numerous castles, cathedrals, and museums are a treasure trove of historical artifacts and stories. As the sun sets, Ukraine doesn't sleep. The country's vibrant nightlife comes alive with music, dance, and a lively crowd. Whether you're a party animal or a quiet observer, Ukraine's nightlife scene has something for everyone. In conclusion, Ukraine is a country that offers a high quality of life at a surprisingly low cost. It's a place where you can live lavishly, soak in rich history, explore stunning landscapes, and enjoy vibrant nightlife, all without breaking the bank. Ukraine, where living large doesn't require a large budget. So there you have it. 5 countries where you can live lavishly on just $500 a month. Let's circle back for a moment. Vietnam, a country where your money stretches to include a vibrant nightlife, delicious street food, and a rich cultural heritage waiting to be explored. Then there's Nepal, where the cost of living is low and the experiences are high. From trekking in the Himalayas to immersing yourself in spiritual customs, life in Nepal is nothing short of an adventure. Bolivia, on the other hand, offers a unique blend of indigenous and Spanish culture, and with a cost of living that is very affordable, you can explore its rich history and stunning landscapes without breaking the bank. And let's not forget Ukraine. Here, a modest budget can afford you a comfortable lifestyle, allowing you to enjoy the country's unique mix of Eastern European charm and modern living. All these countries offer more than just a cheap cost of living. They offer a chance to experience diverse cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and a lifestyle that can be both comfortable and exciting. It's about getting more out of life, experiencing more, and spending less. Remember, living like a king doesn't always require a king's ransom. So where will your next adventure be?